Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best ductless range hoods that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Bronutone. The insert made of stainless steel is the major feature of this Bronutone ductless range hoods. Casting direct candent light over the stove enables ventilation and improves illumination. This is a non-duct filtering system that removes smoke and odors from the kitchen in a systematic manner. Turning on the kitchen lights isn't something you want to do all of the time. However, if your kitchen is dark or enclosed, you're undoubtedly spending a lot of money on light bulbs. The Bronutone can help you save a lot of money on your utility bills. The stove is illuminated by incandescent downlighting. The protected lamp lens evenly distributes light across the cooktop and accommodates bulbs up to 75 watts. The ventless stove hood is designed with smooth surfaces that clean easily and quick-release filters that can go in the dishwasher. The 41000 series is available in widths, ranging from 21 to 42 inches. However, according to the average size of most cooking ranges, the most frequent size is 30 inches. Their suction ratings are similar, with 190 CFM being the highest. The series features a compact under-cabinet body frame that works best when mounted 18 to 20 inches above the counter. It saves space because it is an under-cabinet model. This is one of the best recirculating range hoods in the market now. At number 4. Cosmo. The Cosmo ductless range hood is completely made of stainless steel material. Moreover, it comes with an attractively sleek and slim 30 inches under cabinet range. The push control of these ductless range hoods is easy to use at any home. It features 3 fan speeds, 200 CFM airflow capacity, and easy-to-clean stainless steel. The best ventless stove ductless range hoods come with a slim and space-saving design. In addition, the cutting-edge technology of this best ductless range hoods under cabinets is a great feature. The Cosmo unit is made to fit between the kitchen fittings and stove, even if there are cabinets above the cooking range. As a result, it's acceptable to conclude that its design conserves space. In the non-vented range hood, you can choose between rear venting and top venting, depending on your needs. This can be conveniently put on a wall or hidden beneath a cabinet to make cooking healthful and convenient. Inside the exhaust vent, there is a 5-inch circular-shaped duct. This is a simple way to get rid of the contaminants in your kitchen. At number 3. Z-Line. In the Z-Line wall mount ductless range hoods, the KB30 can be installed on ceilings ranging in height from 7 to 12 feet. The ductless chimney range hood also accepts chimney accessories, which come in short and long kits. Optional charcoal filters are included with this ductless kitchen ventilation, which is used to vent or recirculate the air in the kitchen. This Z-Line range hood has a luxury style and a convertible design. The stainless steel wall-mounted hood has an ultra-slim shape that looks very modern. In this ductless island range hood, grease and frying odors are filtered from the air by 3 baffle filters. It can be used as a duct hood or converted to a ductless option by adding the optional activated charcoal filters, sold separately. This is a self-venting range hood with a built-in fan and blower, making it simple to manage and operate in the long run. The KB30 also comes with a performance and durability guarantee from the manufacturer. In addition, this fancy hood vent also comes with different approvals and certifications in the United States and Canada to ensure that it meets quality standards. The hood body is made of 304 stainless steel, which has been tested and proven to be sturdy enough to endure the elements in the kitchen. This ventless range hood is also available in 2 other stainless steel finishes. One of the hoods has a brushed stainless steel finish, while the other is 430 stainless steel. The 304 and 430 grades are made of 21 and 19 gauge materials. At number 2. Bron. This Bron aluminum power pack hood inserts and its fitting for hood covers will be a wonderful fit for medium-sized kitchens with an aesthetic emphasis. The model is well balanced in terms of both capability and price. This duct exhaust hood addition performs admirably in the lighting and ventilation of the kitchen's cooking area. It also includes 3-speed sliding controls for the exhaust, which you may change according to what you're cooking. In addition, long-lasting 40-watt candelabra bulbs can provide lighting. A washable metal mesh covers the wall-mount ventless range hood. It keeps your kitchen clean and the oil soaked out as much as possible, keeping the air fresh and healthy. The best aspect is that it can be cleaned in a short amount of time, and the filters can swiftly release the air. In addition, the filters can be washed in the dishwasher without fear of scratching or damage. Overall, the range hood will allow you to spend less time in the kitchen. Finally, this non-ventilated range hood can be used in ADA-compliant environments. Simply connect the hood to a 2 or 3 rocker wall switch to turn it on and off. The ductless oven range hood is finished in silver and built to last. At number 1. WinFlow. The WinFlow ductless range hoods are a high-quality device that can be easily installed in your kitchen at a reasonable cost. This model's stainless steel construction provides long-term durability. Grease, steam, and smoke are all resistant to this high-quality steel range hood. It will last for a long time. The airflow speed is high, at 400 CFM, because of the centrifugal motor. When the motor runs faster in the convertible vent hood, more oil particles, smoke, and steam are likely to be sucked into it. As a result, the motor makes very little noise and produces very little sound. The noise level is kept at 65 dB even at fast speeds. In your kitchen, the noise level will not be an issue. This ventless range hood wall mount model is adaptable. This means you can use the model as a duct or ductless system. In addition, this model contains charcoal filters that remove smoke, oil, and steam from the air in your kitchen. Stainless steel frames are also available for aluminum mesh filters. With these mesh filters, grease and oil can be filtered out of your kitchen. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.